In a world where big business brands dominate the spotlight, small business owners don't need competition from each other. They need collaboration. One repost, one referral, one partnership can change someone's entire month. When business owners support each other, they don't just grow sales. They build strength, visibility, and a community that no market shift can shake. And that is what happened in Iman Fest 2.0. Gwagwalada, Abuja.
This is a trade fair organized by Muslima Forum for Global Development. The purpose or the idea behind this trade fair is to help Muslima entrepreneur, that is Muslims in business. It's an annual event, which is usually they do it in the before, like maybe 2 or a week to the month of Ramadan, and we also use that. They also use that venue to do a Ramadan lecture, which is to enlighten people about the Ramadan, they do and the don'ts about Ramadan, and to also encourage women about business, and to also tell women that there is dignity in labor, that whatever you are doing you should be proud of it, and to also support ourselves and to also help the Gwagwalada community, to also give our own quota, because what we sell here is not equivalent to what we sell in the market. We sell cheaper than what we sell in the market or in our various shops.
The prices are unbeatable. I can say that it's as if they are dashing us the goods. The prices are very good, and the things that they are selling here are very nice. They are wonderful. I so much like
Organize this trade fair to help the Muslim women, small business owners, to help promote their businesses, let people know what they are selling, their products and services.
I bought abayas, I bought skincare products, gowns, and many more.
I sell jewelries, material gown, and hijabs, and so far, alhamdulillah, for the business it has been going well. Alhamdulillah, people are coming, and inshallah we'll be here live tomorrow also.
This trade fair is being organized so that we can connect with sisters to exchange goods and services for the Ramadan purpose.
Yeah, alhamdulillah, so far it's not bad, though today is the first day. Hopefully tomorrow it will be better, but today, alhamdulillah, we have sold.
I sell fiber pillows, I sell bedspread, I have yaji, I have foot mats, mopping stick, I have veils, mats, and so on and so forth.
So, if you have the desire to go into business, do not hesitate, however how small the business is. Just be focused and be intentional about what you're doing. More importantly, help each other within that space where your business is growing. Don't just focus on yours alone. Learn to help others around you. That way, blessings will keep following your business wherever you go. Let's build, let's support, and let's rise together. Sharifat Yahya for Family Values.